Hello, I'm Dr. Suraj Haridas, consultant physician and diabetologist at Sunrise, Kochi. As part of the World Heart Day, we're going to discuss some of the most important diet habits in, in order to prevent heart disease. Now, we are seeing a rise of heart disease, which was known to be prevalent among the age of more than 60. But over the past 2 decades, we have seen a rise in cases in age 30 to 40. So the wealth builders of the nation are suffering from the most dreaded disease of the century, heart disease, coronary heart disease, or otherwise known as heart attack, and also as heart blocks. So it is important for the nation as a whole and the world together to strive to keep our wealth builders, the money earners, the breadwinners of our family, to be healthy. So I suggest a few diets that is internationally discussed and tested and tried. So that will help you in preventing heart disease in future. The most important thing is to cut down the amount of salt intake to less than 5 grams per day, which will be a teaspoon per day. So this is one of the most important dietary recommendations. There are international diets which are called the DASH diets, which is an American certified diet. Then you have your Mediterranean diet. These are all diets that we can all refer to in order to discuss the portion size, the amount of salt intake, the amount of sugar intake, the amount of saturated fatty intake. This all is a discussion in separate. So we'll stick to international diets, DASH diet, as well as a Mediterranean diet, predominantly a fat-involved diet. These are good for hypertensives. Sodium, that we know as sodium chloride or our common salt, is the #1 reason that the over intake of sodium can produce hypertension. So essentially, we want to reduce the blood pressure within our blood vessels. So that's the most important thing that we should always focus on. Apart from diet, just the common salt, it is also essential that we should have a control on all the processed foods that is available in our industry for common takes. If you would take any of the processed foods, meats that we are available, all the processed chicken, the processed meat, all of it are high in salt in order to prevent the food from disintegrating. Always stick to a healthy diet, preferably homemade, well-cooked food with low sodium, as well as you can also make an increased portion size of whole grain, as well as legumes, lentils, as well as healthy nuts like almonds and walnuts. Certain things that you should follow in your diet. Apart from diet, you should also follow a healthy work-life balance with approximately 30 minutes of workouts, which includes cardio workouts like brisk walking or playing your favorite game like lawn tennis, basketball, football, swimming. These are all important exercises that can give a healthy heart. Brisk walking is the most common used strategy. At least 30 minutes a day, 5 days of a week will contribute to 150 minutes of cardio workouts. That should be good to keep your heart healthy. The amount of calories that we could take per day, please keep it under 2,000 calories. So which means 2 great meals a day, 2 small snacks a day, and a good, healthy, low carbohydrate, high fiber dinner. I hope this message gets through to each and every one of you, and that should help. So a healthy heart with a healthy diet, as well as moderate physical exercise. Thank you.